Hey, guys, to learn how to remove your followers on Facebook. So if you guys want to go ahead and remove followers that you have on your Facebook account, and you don't really want to have them on while following you, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, all we need to do first is to tap on the Facebook application in which are already here. Let's tap on our profiles on our menu pages. Next, let's tap on settings and privacy. And I want you to tap on settings. Next, I want you to go ahead and try to view your followers. So basically, the followers won't be located over here. So we'll try to locate that over on our profiles. So we are now on our profiles, and we're gonna see this option called followed by a specific number of people. So let's tap on that, and let's see if that is actually editable. So, as of now, it's not necessarily editable. So let's try to go ahead and tap on our friends over here on the Friends tab, and let's tap on See More on our menus again. Let's tap on Friends. As you see, we do have a few people that has sent us a friend request, and automatically, these people who send us a friend request will of course drop a follow on our account. So if you don't really want them to be here, or you don't really want them to follow you or even be friends with them, all we need you to do, cancel that, is to just tap on that specific person. Now tap on this option, on this drop down, until you see the option to basically block them. So let's try to go in and tap on this 3 dots, and see if it is actually possible to block them. And we do have that option right here. So just tap on block again. And now, this person is now removed as your follower. And do the same with all people who send you those friend requests, so that you could remove those followers that you don't really want on your Facebook account. That's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.